You're right guys, so today's video is a little bit different. For a few weeks we're going to be putting videos up that aren't necessarily cooking videos but have got something to do with barbecue. Now with that being said, when we was in the USA we got invited down to Narcoossee, a good friend of mine that I met and got to know through barbecue sites and pages online, mainly Slamcan Nation. If you haven't heard about Slamcan Nation, go check it out. There's loads of different pages for each state in America. All really good guys, happy to share their tips and tricks and just share their love of barbecue, which is exactly what Kyle Luther Melton did when he invited us round. So we popped round there for the afternoon and boy did they impress, 100%. I actually didn't get to try the birria. Kyle was doing a birria with a chuck. That looked amazing. I've covered some of that in the video, but mainly he did picanha. That was awesome. Loads of other sides and whatnot. Jason Morrow, the actual founder of Slamcan Nation, drove us there. Unfortunately, I couldn't have a drink with them that day because I had to drive later on. Boy, was the beer flowing. Oh yes, it was a smashing time. And to see some barbecuing done by these guys just as they do it on the norm. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Check it out. See what you think. Dried out peppers, onions, garlic,
some cumin, a couple cinnamon sticks, some anchovies.
aye,
Doing a
tomatoes, carrots, and beef broth.
Took a chuck roast, throw it on the ugly drum smoker. Instead of doing tacos with it, we're going to do ramen with it.
Sounds good to me.
It's even better.
What's that you added?
Cumin.
Chuck roast on the ugly drum smoker. This is a product by Jonathan Nardone. The drum it's one of the #1 competition winning smoking devices in America when it comes to the competition leagues and stuff like that, because there's so many of them. Man. Stick burners used to be the way it is, and someone found out, hell man, it's way easier to do it this way.
To be fair, in the UK we can see a lot of people have started using the drum smokers, especially in like the comps and stuff like that, so
Yeah.
There's a reason for that obviously.
Yep. And I am cheating a little bit. I got the flame bosses and stuff like that going on it, but
we're busy, we've got a lot of people here, so
yeah, exactly.
You can just keep an eye on it that way. That's what they're good for.
Exactly.
Get in.
Birria. We have a chuck roast in there. Now we have all the anchovies and the onions and the carrots and the tomatoes and stuff with some beef broth that's sitting there to stew a little bit. We're doing it on the Dutch oven.
That's going to break up like...
Oh, it's going to be... Awesome. You shred it. It's one of the most amazing things. I mean, we'll give you another look. This is picanha, made famous by the Brazilians. It's a top sirloin cap, one of the best pieces of steak you'll ever have, man.
Getting that mild reaction going on there, that's for sure.
Absolutely, man.
I just got to say, the smell is amazing.
Yeah.
You cut it this way, you slice it that way. The end pieces are going to be more well done than
yeah.
what you want. Now this is an American twist.
It's got a nice crust on it. Nice and rare, just how I like it.
That's fun.
Melt in your mouth.
Melt in your mouth.
I've got to say that crust, doing it hot and fast like that makes a big difference. I've done picanha before. I've never gone for the hot and fast. I'm normally reverse sear. That works. That's a, from me, quality. You just cannot go wrong. So there you go, guys. Just a little video there of the footage of the day. As I say, entirely grateful for Kyle, his wife Tiffany. There was a lot of them that came together just to hook up for the day, and it was awesome. The effort was amazing. Loads of food, absolutely generous, thoughtful bunch of guys, and it was a great day. Loved it. Just wish I could have stayed longer. We had to shoot off to do something else later on that day. Really wish I could have stayed and had a few beers and not had to drive and do other stuff. With that being said, it was a great day. So, hope you liked the video. Please remember to subscribe because it doesn't cost a penny and it helps us massively as a channel grow. Until then, I'll see you when I see you. Go cook something exceptional. Cheers.